Is it possible, given today's announcement, that XRP's value will quadruple and hit $5 by the end of 2024? That's in 2 weeks. At that point, XRP's market valuation would be close to $280 billion. It may sound unbelievable, but I don't rule out the possibility. Already in the past month, XRP has risen from $0.50 to $2.90, and there are 4, 5, or maybe 6 strong impending catalysts that might cause XRP's price to surge significantly into the new year. Enhanced implementation. XRP is poised to experience a massive surge in institutional adoption, as demonstrated by numerous cases in this movie. Retail XRP use will increase as a result of this acceptability and the fact that new listings such as Arkham Exchange are introducing spot and perpetual for XRP. The first major comment is delivered by Trump personally, which is rather unusual for American journalism. Soon, the video statement will circle back to XRP's origins and the widespread support it has received from institutions. It appears that Eric Trump, son of Donald Trump, has declared that U.S.-based cryptocurrencies like XRP, HBAR, Cardano ADA, and Algorand will not be taxed under the upcoming Trump administration. This is a remarkable and unexpected development. This is quite hopeful. If signed into law by the newly inaugurated Donald Trump administration, the proposed law may drastically change the international cryptocurrency market, says Eric Trump, by providing huge tax breaks to crypto assets held in the United States. According to Sean, whose XR Twitter handle is Urugal, you won't have to pay taxes if your main office is in the U.S., otherwise capital gains tax of up to 37% could be due. By enticing cryptocurrency companies to register in the U.S., this eventually benefits both sides and allows them to take advantage of the country's broader financial system. Under Trump's leadership, the United States would flourish and become the world center for Bitcoin thanks to its cheap taxes, which would be good for businesses. The cryptocurrency's rising popularity in the United States and among cryptocurrency businesses based there has been fantastic for XRP's price, but it might go even higher. The Trump trade has been quite beneficial to XRP, although few seem to be aware of this. I have faith this rally will surpass all of your expectations, regardless of its trajectory or potential height. Considering the imminent PhilMC meeting in 3 or 4 days and the near certainty of a rate, is just one more major component that will likely affect the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. As a result, XRP gained even more momentum. Moreover, some politicians that are in favor of cryptocurrency will be inaugurated in less than a month, including Trump and Paul Atkins, who will be the new head of the SEC. It is anticipated that the Bitcoin market will begin to gradually recover once new restrictions are implemented. Cryptocurrencies are going to skyrocket in value. Who are you to judge? The primary drivers of interest in cryptocurrency remain a mystery. We are just starting out. Despite owning 21 shares in BlackRock, Fidelity, and other corporations, these groups were the driving forces. Consider all the wealth managers who oversee assets worth trillions of dollars but haven't dabbled with cryptocurrency, despite the acceptance that happened in November. Among them are Mel Lynch, Morgan Stanley, UBS, Morgan Goldman Sachs, and JP. Frankly speaking, Morgan Stanley has minimal cryptocurrency exposure compared to the others at the moment. After Trump's inauguration, the market was optimistic, which led to this XRP rise. The rapid inflow of trillions of dollars into cryptocurrencies, facilitated by exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and clear regulatory frameworks, will propel XRP's price to new heights. According to this article, the time for institutional adoption is almost here. This is an opportunity that will never come again. The conventional financial markets are seeking brief, holding cryptocurrency for a medium to long duration. Since you have already arrived, you are still sufficiently early. Given the extreme optimism shown by the wealth managers, I decided to host a free Discord server and quickly amassed 500 users. We are striving toward financial independence by sharing what we have learned in order to get ahead of this cycle and become as wealthy as possible. If you are interested in taking part, the most essential key catalysts that might cause XRP's value to rise rapidly in a short period of time are the 4th, 5th, and 6th ones. The link can be found in the description down below. Wall Street tried out XRP and other cryptocurrencies, as is well known. But the technical engineers on the XRP ledger and the expanding list of ETFs will be the main forces behind XRP's acceptance. Notable developments include the introduction of U.S. bills which tokenize debt and modify the rules by adding it to the XRP ledger. Perhaps Trump is taking his joke about using Bitcoin to settle the American debt a little too seriously. Actually, what he's talking about is XRP, the cryptocurrency that will end the U.S. debt crisis. Lastly, there will be an even broader array of financial prospects once the RUSD is commercialized and made available to the public. Users can now stake XRP starting next week in order to get T-bills tokens and earn yield from the underlying asset. This is a really positive news report. The RLUSD is bigger than most of you think, which is why XRP's value might rise dramatically. Given the little time available, it's possible to achieve Zing's worth in just 2 weeks. Listen in on this discussion between Brad Garneyhouse and David Schwartz. As I've mentioned before, we believe this is a fantastic expansion of the XRP ecosystem and a wonderful supplement to its current efforts. The ultimate goal of all our efforts is to ensure the maximum success of XRP for everyone involved. Everyone benefits from stablecoins' chain liquidity, as David said earlier today, or roadways along with improved entrances and exits. In addition, unlike most other popular stablecoins, RLUSD complies completely with MiG regulations. Naturally, USDTT is the biggest tether, but there are others. Incompatible individuals with others. This very second they are. Their ban was enforced yesterday, December 30th. Additionally, CoinGecko appears to be displaying a single RLUSD opening candle for 7 o'clock on December 31st, which is only 2 weeks away. This coincides with the opening of a channel for XRP in the RLUSD. The RLUSD's official public debut could be leaked here. This post shows that in the end it's advantageous and the following regulations will be really good for Ripple XRP. Restrictions or changes may be imposed on assets. Next year in 2025, when digital assets finally have global regulatory certainty, XRP will be one of the biggest winners in this crypto economy. The possibility of a tax exemption is once again going to be a big factor in XRP's future acceptance. Follow the link to your local server below to learn more, join the chat, and do your own research as XRP climbs. Looking forward to seeing you at the next one again.